sophisticated weapons found. $349 relief camps with 50,614 inmates in the state at present, says Dr. S. Ranjan. And the curfew relaxed for Imphal East, West and Bishnupur till 8 p.m. today. Hello, welcome to ELITETV, your English news bulletin. I'm your host, Deemita. Before giving you the news, we requested to follow the SOP given by the government, where face masks worn in public, wash hands regularly and maintain a minimum of 6 feet between one person and another. ELITETV also requested to get vaccinated in time to protect ourselves from this virus and play your part in the fight against COVID-19. Now the news in detail. Images of Kuki militants with sophisticated weapons are found. Footage is found from the drone camera which is left behind by Kuki militants somewhere in Bishnupur district. It is clearly shows that they are not using single and double barrel. Here is the exclusive report.
Handaki kanupani ki irang asida kulai paiba mapalamdagi lai lakti haibagi tayet naba leiba du ELITETV na phangba pauda handaki irang asida Kuki militants sing yawi haibagi chapsaba proof fangle. ELITETV na phangba video footage da hairiba Kuki militants sing asina sniper M16 amadi SLR nongmai sing pairaga maitei kultaba jaga sing da attack tobagi video footage drone footage uba phange. Hairiba footage asida Seru dagi hauraga tuan ba tangjeng aduga aroiba khul phawda makhoina drone camera sinaraga attack tobagi adumba footage sing aduni. Hoje akhoi useriba footage sing CM views na sniper ni aduga sina LMG ni aduga sina khoi SLR ni. Adu hairiba volunteers sing asina khoi karai da kari leriga haibasi makhoi gi oiba drone footage drone camera sinraga nambagi photograph aduni leribasi. Aduna village defense force ni haina tuan ba apam thamakpa akhoi Kuki militants sing ni haibada media na haiba matamda waru mayam adu hairiba footage sing asina mek senga takle madu di hairiba lan asida khoi double barrel na te single barrel na te pairiba si sniper ni mamang da su khoi tuan phum sing da khoi pipe na saba bomb sing phagat bagi wafum su leikrabani. Media na phonga pauda kuki militants in haina warobu leibadu hauzik oriba video footage aduga photographs asina me singa takle haibadi hairiba asida akoi mapalom dagi mi yawi haibagi chingnaba leiba loinena makhoi sineba flag asi karamba flag no haibasu chapchaba khangmang amdi adubu makhoi gi position leibagi phim duni hauzik uriba si maramaduna media da lana thamu wafam village defense force ni single barrel double barrel masagi defense tongna ba paise bani haibu famadu Allah labra haibasi atu wahang ama oidi
Health Minister Dr. S. Ranjan Singh has informed that there are a total of 349 relief camps with 50,648 displaced persons in the state due to the ongoing crisis in Manipur. Minister was speaking to media during a press conference held at the auditorium of DIPR at Nitaipa Chutek, Imphal West yesterday. He said that district and a cluster nodal officials have been identified to take care and look after relief centers opening at different districts. Relief centers have also been opened specially for pregnant ladies. Specially cares have also been taken up for lactating mothers, aged persons and children, he informed. Ranjan stated that goods and essential commodities are being brought through National Highway number 37. 2,376 truck loads with 35,000 metric tons comprising of construction materials, fuels, essential commodities, etc. have been brought in to the state, he added. He further informed that the government is trying to make Khongsang railway station activated within the next 10 days for convenient transportation of essential items. Further, helicopter services from Moreh Imphal, Imphal Churachandpur and Imphal Kangpopi have already been started, he added. Ranjan also said that so far a total of 990 arms and 13,526 ammunitions have been surrendered to the government. On top of this, combing operations have been launched in all districts, particularly in vulnerable areas. During the search operations conducted by the combined team of Central and State Armed Forces, 53 arms, 74 ammunitions and 39 bombs have been successfully recovered, said the minister. The IPR minister stated that the roadmap of education for the crisis period have been chalked out by the government, the details of which will be briefed by Education Minister concerned very shortly. Regarding the banking sector, out of 243 branches, 198 bank branches are made operational as of now and the rest will be made functional at the earliest, added the minister. Ranjan said that a price control mechanism is put into force to check the price rise in essential commodities, said the minister. He also updated about the current fuel and LPG stock and appealed to the public not to panic. The minister appealed to all to play their active roles to restore normalcy in the state of Manipur again. Curfew has been relaxed from 5 a.m. to 8 p.m. in Imphal West and Bishnupur district today, said separate orders of district magistrates. Markets and the shops are open. People were seen rushing to the markets and shops to buy essential items. Normal traffic was observed on the roads. Railways used for AI-based Sanchar Santi portal to identify bodies of people who were killed in Odisha train accident last week. The portal helped trace the victim's phone number and Aadhaar details using their photographs. Officials said that they also traced cell calls made through nearby towers just before the accident to link them to phones, which were later immediately shut down. Indian American Srinivasrao Alaparty has sued a resort and boat captain for wrongful death after his wife died while parasailing in US. His wife was parasailing with her son and nephew when the weather turned bad. The boat's captain then cut the tow line holding the parasail, after which the trio went dragged across water and hit the bridge, the lawsuit said. And now let's take a short break. Stay tuned for more updates.
Babina Diagnostics Manipur da ihan hanba oina ingsok lising amaga chamapal marifuhumdoi da linkhatki. Masina awang nongpok Bharat da yamna pak chawna miyoi bagi ana layeng da darkar lakpa makhal kaya ki changyeng sing pangthoi. Mayamdugi marakta amatang pallabada radiological investigation su mai pak na pangthokli. Wana hona jaba miyoi bagi sebani khana angamba thakta laibak thiraba ana ayek nanglaba kayagi mating pangjaba si sakhang biduna awang nongpokta ihan hanba oina NABL gi accreditation pibirakhi. Miyam gi pothafam ngainafam testofam report lawfam gi awaba du kokhanduna changfam hangfam pothafam gari parking cafeteria yauna marang kaina leizaraba unit ama oina miyam gi seba tawjari. Unit asida thamjariba matamgi darkar oirakpa equipment singdi 1.5 Tesla MRI, 128 slice CT scanner, mammography, DEXA scanner, digital X-ray, luinana, hematology, clinical chemistry, amadi, clinical pathology, immunology, microbiology, molecular biology, amasung immunohistochemistry studies ki masing yamlaba automated analyzers.
Diabetes ka luinana hinglibusing tha amagi manungda fahanba ngamle. Khong hamba nungai tabasu numit manga nigi manungda fahanba ngamle. Piles haibadi nungsang nabasu chama da chama fahanba ngamle. Cholesterol wangba numit kunida normal oina lehenba ngamle. BP wangbasu tha amagi manungda normal da lehenba ngamle. Pumnamak natural oiba anoba hidak makal singna laying jabani. Haksang da sokadaba side effect amata leite. Makatana hidak chabagi mathau su tararoi. Akopa moral gidamak ngasi maglengsin birau Diabetes Hospital, Jennings Road near Punjab National Bank, Porompat.
Admission open. Manipur ki mapanda satrabasu yaraba best quality education ga loinana Saraswati Institute of Management and Paramedical Science pangai. Manipur University da affiliated tauba Indian Nursing Council amadi Pharmacy Council of India na recognize tauraba college asida chaliba academic session asigi akagnaba sit masingi admission hauzare. Coursing adudi BSc Nursing, Diploma in Pharmacy, Bachelor of Pharmacy, BSc Forensic Science, BSc Radiology and Imaging Technology, BSc RIT, BSc Medical Laboratory Technology, BSc MLT, amadi BSc Operation Theatre Technology Operation, BSc OTT, hariba coursing asigi scholarship ki kudong saba su pangbigani, amadi meritorious students singi oiba tongan ba kudong saba mayam amalegani. Akopa morol gidama 9856575163. College address Pangai opposite MPTC da lengbidaktuna ngasimak kudong saba si lowiu.
SS Career Solution na Chahitara Hena Kunai Sida Ladiba Naharol Singbu Achumba Sinfam Mama Kangjana Bagi Kudong Jaba du Mapung Fana Pina Bagi Damak Specialized Oiraba Tim Gaya Semdona Angang Singbu na Ringay Dagi Koiga Chana ba Sinfam Gimaramda Sing na Mari Makong Taktuna Afaba Kunayama Oirak Nabahona Duna Ngasifa Balak Career Solution Amagi Chapchana Guidance Tiba Haibasi Arriba Dinate Adubu Iburgedi Toina Nunsa Tiningai Oitre SS Career Solution na Akaknaba Plan Amadi Expertise Singa Putsinduna Sacha Kaknatana Community Level Dagi Hauraga Adom Paidagi Chanaba Sinfamadu Mai Pakna Chatnanaba Same Sagani Aikuigi Mamalyam Laba Naha Singbu Tungge Chumalambela Madalam Jing Haurasi SS Career Solution na piriba kudong chaba singasi kopna kanta haurasi.
Welcome you all to UNACO College, Kongman Imphal East, an exclusive co-educational college offering both BA and BAc courses. UNACO College will be affiliated to Manipur University, Kanchipur. First academic session will begin in July 2023. Hurry up! Registrations and admissions open for 2023-24 academic session.
Welcome back again. You're watching ELITETV's English News. An empty coach of the Medinipur-Howrah local train derailed at the Kharagpur station in West Bengal's Pachim Medinipur district on Saturday night, a Southeastern Railway official said. The accident happened around 9 p.m. when the train was heading towards Howrah. The accident happened around 140 km from Odisha's Bahanagar Bazar station, where a triple train crash occurred on June 2nd. Iran police shot and killed a 9-year-old boy after his father stole a car and drove off with him, Iranian authorities said. Police said they issued the man several warnings before they started shooting, while the men said they did not issue any warning. According to the police, the man had a criminal record, including car theft and drug smuggling. Karan Kwazi, a 14-year-old student, is set to join Elon Musk's lead SpaceX as the company's youngest software engineer. Kwazi will join SpaceX after graduating from Santa Clara University School of Engineering this month. In the Lincoln Post, Karan said SpaceX is a rare company that didn't use his age as an arbitrary and outdated proxy for maturity and ability. Clinical psychologist Jordan Peterson, in response to YouTube removing his post, said, "I have now officially been accused of hate speech by YouTube. Let's be clear that his direct accusations conduct deemed criminal in many jurisdictions." Reacting to his tweet, Elon Musk said, "Upload here. This platform believes in free speech provided it does not break the law." The Air Intelligence Unit AIU of Customs Department at Kerala's Kochi Airport seized 2,207.24 grams of foreign origin gold jewellery worth 1.21 crore, an official statement said. The Customs Department said the gold was recovered from the 4 passengers who have arrived from Malaysia on Friday. The gold was seized under relevant sections of the Custom Act 1962, an official said. For ELITETV News Channel, connect to the email address info@elitv.in or 9402890982 and subscribe to ELITETV YouTube channel or follow on Facebook page, Instagram and Twitter for more information about the channel. And now let's take a look at the headlines once again. Images of Kuki militants with sophisticated weapons found. $349 relief camps with 50,640 inmates in the state at present, says Dr. S. Ranjan. And curfew relaxed for Imphal East, West and Bishnupur till 8 p.m. today. And that's all for now. For more updates, keep watching ELITETV English News. Thank you and have a great day.